Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we saw how we can install Wazuh in Ubuntu, and we also saw another video how we can install Suricata in our Ubuntu machine. In today's video we will see how we can send these Suricata logs to Wazuh machine. Okay, so for that first let's go to our machine. So in this machine I have my Wazuh running, so I'll show you in a second. So yes, system ctl status Wazuh manager. So we can see Wazuh manager is running. Now let me go for Wazuh indexer also. Let me check the status of Wazuh indexer. So we can see Wazuh indexer is also running. And finally Wazuh dashboard. Okay, so the status of Wazuh dashboard, it's also running. So let me clear the screen. Now let's go to other machine where our Suricata is installed. Let me go to sudo user and let me check the status of Suricata. Systemctl status Suricata. We can see Suricata is running. Just to make sure that Suricata logs are being generated, let me get the logs that are being generated using tail command, tail minus f. The logs, we know it's located in /var /logs/suricata, and let me see what files are available. So let me go for fast.log for now. Sorry, my bad, fast.log. Okay, so we can see logs are getting generated by Suricata. Let's now deep dive into how we can send these logs. What we'll be sending is we'll be basically sending events or JSON mainly to our Wazuh machine. So let us check how we can do that. Before that, what we need to do is we need to install Wazuh agent in the machine where Suricata is running. So for that, I will go to my Wazuh dashboard. So pretty much this is my Wazuh dashboard. So I'll log in into this. The username and password are admin. I didn't change it. So we pretty much have nothing in this, so we need to add an agent first. Let's go and add an agent. So our mission is Ubuntu mission, so Debian type, and the server address is 192.168.0.146, which is the address of the Wazuh mission, and agent name we can set it as Suricata for now. So okay, and let's choose the group as default group, and let me copy this command and I'll run this command in mission where Suricata mission basically, and I'll run this. So it's downloading the agent file and it's unpacking the agent file now, and it will set the Wazuh manager address to the address which we have given in the Wazuh dashboard. So let me check the status of Wazuh agent right now. Systemctl status Wazuh agent. So it's right now disabled. So what we have to do is we have to enable and start the agent. So before that, let's run systemctl daemon reload. Systemctl daemon reload. Sorry. So yeah, systemctl daemon reload is successful, and let me now enable Wazuh agent. Systemctl enable Wazuh agent. Okay, so now Wazuh agent is enabled. Now let me start it. So systemctl start Wazuh agent. Okay, so, let me check the status. So we can see it's active and running. I'll go back to this dashboard and I'll click on close here. So we can see Suricata machine here being generated, and once I refreshed it, it detected the operating system and it's active right now. So what we will do is, now let's go to the directory. Okay, let me clear this. So in our Suricata machine, let's change our directory to /var/osec, and in osec let's go to the etc directory. In here we have multiple files, but the interesting file which we are looking for is osec.config. So let me nano into this, let me try to edit this. So osec.config, so we can see address, port number and client buffer and other factors that are being given here. So here if we see in osec config, a local file is been defined and what type of file is it, and the location of file is been given here. So what we'll do is we will add the same over here. So basically I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, and the format I will put it as JSON because we will be sending event.json file basically. So let's keep it as JSON, and the logs are stored in /var/logs log suricata and event.json, right? So suricata /event.json, and let me save this file. And once this is done, we have to extract emerging threads rule set from Suricata. So for that I have given command in here in medium post. I'll leave the link of the medium post in the description. You can check it out there and copy this command. So this will download and extract all the emerging threads rule set of Suricata, and let me run this. Okay, so till here it's successful. Now let me clear this and let's change our directory to etc/suricata, and in here let's edit suricata.yaml, and if we go to end of the file, so the default rule path is set to be /var/lib/suricata/rules. Go ahead and edit this rule files. Let's set let us give it as star. Let's change the default rule path to /etc/suricata /etc lib is not required /suricata and rules, and we are exporting all the rules from here. So let it be like this, and global stats configuration, and let us look for the option global stats configuration. Here we have to set it to be enabled, yes, make sure it is yes, and let's save the configuration file now, and let's restart Suricata system ctl restart Suricata. Once Suricata is restarted, and let me restart my Wazuh agent as well. Let me check the status of Suricata right now. So systemctl status Suricata. So we can see Suricata is active and running. Keeping this aside, now let's go to our Wazuh dashboard. Let's go to home, overview. So we have to search for events. So let me search for Suricata here. So we can see Suricata logs are also in Wazuh dashboard. So this is how we can send logs to Wazuh. Yeah. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and it will motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you.